To Backup Quickbooks. Start by opening the software and selecting the File menu. Then choose Backup Company and Next. Choose the location where you want to save the backup file, such as an external hard drive or a cloud storage service. It is essential to choose a secure location that is not prone to data loss or corruption. You can also set up a schedule for automatic backups, which can be daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your needs. When setting up the backup, you will be asked if you want to save the backup as a QuickBooks backup file or a portable company file. The QuickBooks backup file is the recommended choice, as it includes all the necessary data and is easier to restore. Before starting the backup process, ensure that all users are logged out of QuickBooks and that no other applications are accessing the company file. This will prevent any data corruption or inconsistencies during the backup process. Once the backup is complete, verify that the file has been created successfully by checking the location where you saved the file. You can also test the backup by restoring it to a new location to ensure that all data is intact. Best practices for backing up QuickBooks include setting up regular automatic backups, storing the backup files in multiple locations, and testing the backups regularly to ensure they can be restored successfully. Additionally, consider using external hard drives or cloud storage services to store your backups, as these provide an additional layer of security and protection against data loss. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your QuickBooks data is safe and can be easily restored in case of any issues. Regular backups are crucial for protecting your financial data and preventing losses in case of system failures or data corruption. By making backups a part of your regular routine, you can have peace of mind knowing that your QuickBooks data is secure and protected.